Double tap and hold to long press.
What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable and enable TalkBack on your Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right in. So TalkBack is a feature for the vision impaired. Every time you touch something on the screen, it reads it back out to you. And this can get really annoying if you did not intend to turn this on. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn it off. And obviously, you could use this to turn it on as well. All right, so when you're in TalkBack, first thing you need to know is you could swipe around with 2 fingers. So you can swipe from side to side. All right, so in order to get out of TalkBack, we're gonna need to find the settings. So we're gonna, if you have settings here on your home screen, just go ahead and select it. If not, what we're gonna do is with 2 fingers, you're gonna swipe up from the lower section of the phone to the top with 2 fingers. So something like this.
App screen page 1 of 2.
And all your apps will show up. Here with 2 fingers, scroll around until you find settings. Okay, so settings is right here. We're gonna go ahead and select it and then double tap it. Here in settings, we're gonna scroll down with 2 fingers until we find accessibility, which is right here. So once you're there, select it and double tap it. Okay, and then TalkBack will be right here towards the top. So we're gonna go ahead and select TalkBack, double tap it. And as you can see, it is on. So all we gotta do is select the toggle, double tap it, and then confirm, turn off TalkBack. Okay, so select turn off, double tap. And there you go. TalkBack is off. And if you want to turn it on, just enable it, if it's off. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how you turn off or turn on TalkBack on your Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. So go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.